What's up, guys? If you own a business and you're looking to make more money without spending a dime, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey, real quick before we dive into the video, my second 6-week boot camp that starts on September 4th is being launched right now for signups. We have 3 spots left, and you can click the link in the show notes right now. If you want to be held accountable, if you want to learn from like-minded people who've built 7, 8, and 9-figure businesses, if you want to be a part of a community of entrepreneurs every single day, click the link in the show notes. You'll learn all about it, see testimonials from our last boot camp, and we would love to have you. Let's get to the video. So as business owners and entrepreneurs, there's no doubt that when it comes to getting new clients, it typically can cost us a lot of money when it comes to marketing. So today I want to talk about something that's absolutely free that I've done in my personal life really well and how it is translated over to helping my businesses grow. So the thing I want to talk to you about today is networking. For me personally, I've always tried to target high-level business owners. Now, I target high-level business owners for one specific reason. It's because they're out doing things and they also know the most amount of people that can help me get to the next level. Now, when it comes to networking, the thing you have to understand is you're not networking to get something. You are networking to give something. When you're networking with high-level individuals, they can smell out somebody that is in it for themselves. And so the approach that I have always had was to actually develop real friendships with these people. Because if you actually care about the people you're networking with, you will get so much more out of the relationship and you'll be able to give so much more in the relationship. So many of you guys are like, well, what do I have to give a high-level business owner when I'm not super high level? When you can be authentic and become their friend, you will be shocked how much you actually have to give people. Now, to give you guys a little example of the things I'm willing to do to get around high-level people, because I know many of you are asking yourself right now, how? How am I going to get around high-level business owners if I myself am not a high-level business owner? So for example, back in April, I went on a trip to St. Louis, and I got to go to the Arte Syndicate conference. That's with Andy Frisella, Ed Milet, David Goggins was there, and I got to fly private to that event. But I paid for it. And I paid for it because I wanted to hang out with these like-minded, high-level business owners that were going. And because I was able to pay for it and I was willing to put up the money, they allowed me to go with them. And out of that, I developed relationships with the top real estate agent in the state of Michigan, somebody that owns a franchise that does $150 million a year, and multiple other people that run this private jet. And to this day, because I was willing to invest in that, not only did I learn from the event, which was a total game changer, but I also was able to meet with these high-level business owners that I typically would have never been able to meet with. People that would have never responded to my message about, hey, let's go out for lunch or something like that. So sometimes you're gonna have to pay your way into these relationships, and then in return, those people will know you're serious about what you're actually trying to achieve in your life and in your business, and in return will give you their time. Last but not least, here's a perfect way to start. You can simply start reaching out to people on Facebook, through email, a phone call, a text message, walking in their office, introducing yourself, and here's your pitch. Hey, Mr. So-and-so, my name is Matt. I'm a local entrepreneur. I've been following you for a long time. I super admire the businesses you've built and for what you're doing. From a distance, I've been watching you for a long time. I'm curious, is there any chance that I could take you out to lunch someday and just talk to you about business? It's a great place to start. And so if you want to start somewhere, you simply have to reach out. You got to get the balls to actually do it. And I will tell you, the majority of successful people, if they know the person is serious and willing to implement the things that they are taught in their business, they are typically willing to take the time out of their day and spend an hour with you, or a half hour, or 2 hours, or whatever the case is, to help you get to the next level, in hopes that they can help you improve something in your life and in your business. Because don't forget, every single one of these high-level business owners at one point were exactly where you were. And so they know how you feel, they know the spot you're in, and they want to help people rise up the ladder just like they did. So I'm telling you guys, if you can figure out the networking side, not only is it going to bring you more work, but it's going to bring you more friends that are like-minded, they're higher level than you, which is going to force you to level up. It's going to be a motivator every single day, and you're going to be in a completely different mindset than you normally are.